Hi, my name is Kasia and welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to show y'all how I do the Aphoghee two-step protein treatments. You're supposed to start off on freshly washed hair, but I went ahead and conditioned mine a little bit beforehand because it was feeling a little dry. Then I went ahead and detangled it so I could go ahead and start with the first step. So this is the first step, which is like the actual protein. So I went ahead and shook that up a little bit beforehand. Put it in my hand and just proceeded to like rake it through my hair. And using your hand does work, but honestly y'all, the easiest thing to do would be to put some of this in a spray bottle. That way you have a little bit more control of how much you're using. Since my hair is always in protective styles, it's never really out much. So I do my protein treatments maybe like once a month or every other month, unless I've completely damaged my hair to all hell. Then I'll do it like once a week for 6 weeks, then go back on the monthly schedule. And then once I get all of the product saturated into my hair, I take my blow dryer on medium heat and high airflow and just begin to blow dry until my hair gets hard. And then when I say hair, it'll be like stiff. Like you shake your head, your hair not gonna move. So I'm just gonna do that all over my head till my hair is completely dry. Sidebar, I'm sorry for how much I'm moving around. I was listening to music and I can't stay still when I'm listening to music, so I'm sorry if that's distracting. When you're done blow drying, like as you can see, it's stiff, like it's not going nowhere. And then once it's dry, do not touch it. Don't try to like break the cast or anything. I don't know what I was doing just then, but don't try to break the cast because, you know, in turn, like you could break your hair. You don't want to do that. Here's a close-up of what my hair looks like when it's dried. After it's completely dry, I just go ahead and rinse it out with lukewarm water. But don't manipulate it and start touching it and moving it around until your hair is completely wet and it softens back up. Just because, like I said before, you don't want to break your hair. That's not cool. Alright, so this is me with my hair rinsed out. You can't really tell a difference in the texture, but that's because I was upside down bent over the sink. Now for step 2, this is the balancing moisturizer. I'm sorry I didn't get close-up shots of these products, so I'll make sure that I leave like direct links in the description box so you guys are sent straight to the products. But the balancing moisturizer is just applied like a regular conditioner, so however you apply your conditioner is probably how you should apply this balancing moisturizer. The directions say to leave it on for about 2 minutes, then rinse it out. You can do that, then go over with another, deep conditioner. But me, I just left this in and stacked some more conditioners on top of it and it was fine. But if you do decide to follow the directions and rinse it out after 2 minutes, once you apply the product and comb it through, then just go ahead and rinse it out after that. So here's me showing y'all my different textures. So you can see the difference between like my bleach hair and then my natural hair. So that's why I'm doing the protein treatments, just to keep it healthy, keep my ends healthy as my hair grows out so I can get back on my healthy hair journey. Then I'm gonna take my Camille Rose Moroccan Pear conditioning custard and just rake that through over top of the balancing moisturizer. And yeah, that's about it. So I'll see y'all when I see you. I'm about to talk. Alright y'all, I wanted to explain this and I might explain it weird once I start to do the voiceover. So what I wanted to show you guys is basically the progress that I feel like I see like just from one protein treatment Typically when I start to color my hair and all of that, the first pieces to go are my little pieces on the side right here. They're the first ones to start like loosening. They're the first pieces of hair that start changing. When my texture starts to go to shit, it happens here first. Okay. So I just wanted to show you guys how basically this piece right here is basically straight. Like it had a little bit of wave to it, but now it's essentially like a curl. And I didn't do any like scrunching or manipulating to it. I was actually messing with it, and my dumb ass went whoop, and obviously there's conditioner in it, so if you like slide your fingers down it, it's gonna straighten it out. That's what it did. So then I left it alone. And I can also see the same thing like in the back of my head. So these curls back here, they kind of do the same thing, whereas they look a little straighter while it's wet. But after I do a protein treatment, I can see them starting to like curl back up. I'm just gonna, I don't know how much longer I'm gonna let this conditioner sit in, but if you are gonna do a protein treatment, it says to leave the balancing moisturizer in for 2 minutes. I'm leaving it in for longer than that. It'll be fine, it's a conditioner. Then I put my other conditioner on top. I would let it sit for, if you're gonna follow the directions and then rinse the balancing moisturizer out after 2 minutes, I do another deep conditioner after with a conditioner of your choice and let it sit for at least 30. So yeah, or 15, but I conditioned before I did the protein treatment. So I hope this video wasn't too short. I hope you guys were able to get something out of it. I thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any other questions, if you have any questions or comments about anything else that I do to try to like preserve the health of my hair, definitely let me know in the comments below. But yes, if you guys want to connect with me, my social medias will be in the description box. Thank you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. If you guys need anything, my DMs are always open, and if you feel comfortable, the comments as well. Yeah, so I thank you guys so much for everything, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.